welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am so excited to share with you this super cute braided wig. Yes, this is a wig. Are you kidding me? This wig looks like I went straight to the motherland and got braided by 4 or 5 beautiful African women, because this wig is absolutely everything. Like, let me get close up. Let's get close up and personal. This C part, these tiny braids, like, wig wear. Honestly, this thing comes all the way down past my waist. It's absolutely beautiful and it's so full. I mean, it is braided all the way down to the ends. Let me give you a 360 of this beautiful full unit. I mean, braids for days. Like, if I got this done, this is definitely a 14 to 16 hour job. And if I did this myself, this would definitely be a 2-day job, 2 to 3 day job, easily. And for this to be a wig that I installed in less than 2 minutes. Literally took it out of the bag, cut the lace in the front, and that's it. Like, there's no tutorial. There's nothing to learn. There's nothing to do. It's literally the roll on and go. All you have to do is cut the lace in the front. I'm going to show you better than I can tell you. This wig, I'm gonna link the name of the wig here. This is from TikTok Shop. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm at a loss. I'm at a loss for words, because this wig is absolutely beautiful. Like, when I say they took their time with this wig, they took their time. Like, it's not looking wiggy. Like, it's super cute. Underneath here, I literally have 4 French braids to the back, and I have a wig cap on. Nothing special. Oh, I'm obsessed. Absolutely love it, okay? And you can wear these braids all to the back. You can do them to the front like I had. You can put them all to one side. You can take a little rubber band and pin the sides back. I might have grabbed a little too much. Grab a little less. little less on this side. Add a little rubber band to this. Okay, so I added elastic band to it, and you can rock it like this. So the styles are endless. You can also do a little claw clip style. There's so much that can be done to this. You can even add some beads to the end of these or some hair jewels. But the styles are endless. I absolutely love this unit, and it's glueless. Now you can put glue on if you want to, but there's no glue here. This baby is not glued down. Okay. So yes, absolutely love this unit. I'm gonna show you the quick and easy install. When I tell you, there's really not much to do with this unit at all. Besides, click that link in the description box and get yours. Thank me later. So let me know what you think about this unit in the comment section below. Would you rock this unit? I believe they come in other colors, possibly additional lengths. I think this is the 30-inch C-part in the color Natural Black. If there are other colors or lengths, I will link them up above. But this right here, she's a keeper. I will definitely be rocking her a lot, trying some different styles with her and some different accessories. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're not already subscribed, what are you waiting for? There is no cost, no fee to subscribe. The bell notification so you don't miss any of my uploads, because I have a lot more to share. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.